Weathers of Switzerland. Summers. Summers in Switzerland are a magical time when the country's stunning natural beauty truly shines. Here's what you can expect during the summer months in Switzerland. A pristine alpine landscape as the Swiss Alps come alive with lush meadows, colorful wildflowers, and clear blue skies. It's a paradise for hikers, mountain bikers, and nature enthusiasts. Pleasant weather. Summer in Switzerland offers comfortably warm temperatures, making it an ideal season for outdoor activities. Daylight hours are long, providing ample time to explore. Crystal clear lakes. Switzerland boasts numerous lakes, such as Lake Geneva, Lake Lucerne, and Lake Zurich. They are perfect for swimming, boating, and picnics on their shores. Festivals and events. Swiss towns and cities come alive with various summer festivals, including music festivals, food events, and traditional celebrations like the Fête de l'Escalade in Geneva. Outdoor dining. You can enjoy al fresco dining at local cafes and restaurants, savoring Swiss cuisine and taking in the picturesque surroundings. Mountain adventures. Summer activities in the mountains include hiking, paragliding, and climbing. Cable cars and funicularies make it easy to access high-altitude areas. Wildlife and flora. The Swiss countryside is teeming with wildlife, and it's an excellent time for birdwatching and spotting alpine animals. The meadows are also adorned with vibrant wildflowers. Scenic train rides. Switzerland is renowned for its scenic train journeys. In summer, take the Glacier Express or Berne Express to witness breathtaking landscapes. Switzerland is renowned for its crystal clear lakes, which are not only stunning to look at but also offer various recreational opportunities. Some of the most famous ones include Lake Geneva. Lake Lemon, Switzerland's largest lake. Lake Geneva is known for its deep blue waters, surrounded by the city of Geneva and charming towns. After that, Lake Lucerne views the sea. Nestled amidst the Swiss Alps, Lake Lucerne's clear waters are surrounded by mountains, making it a popular destination for cruises and water sports. The charming town of Lucerne sits at its western end. Nestled in the heart of Switzerland, Lake Lucerne is surrounded by the impressive Swiss Alps and is located near the town of Lucerne. Switzerland's forests are a stunning sight during the summer months. Here is what you can expect when exploring the Swiss forests in summertime. Lush greenery. Swiss forests come with vibrant shades of green during the summer. The deciduous and coniferous trees create a lush canopy that provides welcome shade and a sense of serenity. Wildflowers. In the forest floors are adorned with colorful wildflowers, including alpine varieties like gentians, edelweiss, and alpine roses. These flowers create a carpet of beauty. Birdsong. The woods are filled with the songs of various bird species during the summer. Birdwatching is a popular activity for nature enthusiasts. Cool retreat. Swiss forests offer a cool and tranquil escape from the summer heat, making them an inviting destination for hiking, picnicking, or simply unwinding. Hiking and biking trails. Switzerland has an extensive network of hiking and mountain biking trails that meander through its forests. These paths allow you to explore the natural beauty while staying active. And while exploring the forests, you may have the opportunity to spot Swiss wildlife, including deer, chamois, marmots, and various bird species. Mushroom foraging. Summer is the season for mushroom foraging in Swiss forests. Locals often search for chanterelles, porcini, and other edible fungi. Forest wellness. The practice of forest bathing or shinrin-yoku has gained popularity in Switzerland. It involves immersing yourself in the forest. The start of winter in Switzerland typically occurs in December, transitioning from the autumn season. Here's what you can expect as winter begins in this beautiful alpine country. Snowfall. With the arrival of winter, Switzerland experiences its first significant snowfalls. The Swiss Alps and mountain regions are usually the first to get covered in a pristine layer of snow, creating a winter wonderland. Ski resorts. Ski resorts across Switzerland begin opening their slopes for the winter season. Popular destinations like Zermatt, Verbier, St. Moritz, and Davos become hubs for winter sports enthusiasts. Winter sports. Besides skiing and snowboarding, you can enjoy activities like ice skating, snowshoeing, and winter hiking in the Swiss mountains and picturesque landscapes. Winter festivals. Switzerland hosts a variety of winter festivals and events, including the Fête de l'Escalade in Geneva and the Snow Polo World Cup in St. Moritz. Cultural activities. Swiss cities offer a range of cultural events, from concerts to art exhibitions, to keep you entertained during the colder months. Warm alpine cuisine. Swiss cuisine takes on a comforting, Hearty character in winter. You can savor dishes like fondue, raclette and rosti, which are perfect for warming up after a day in the snow. Christmas and New Year's and the holiday season is celebrated with enthusiasm in Switzerland. Expect festive decorations, holiday lights, and special events leading up to Christmas and New Year's. Winter scenery of the Swiss landscapes are transformed into a winter wonderland, with glistening lakes, snowy forests, and charming villages. It's a picturesque time to explore. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.